This video is for my girlies who want to glow up before 2024. If you've been trying this no makeup look like this or something like this, but you feel like just something is missing, make sure to watch this video and try this. Welcome to part 2 of my glow up series. I'm so glad you're here. Key ingredients of having this like no makeup look, having no eyeliner sticking out. She still has very defined eyes, but you don't see any eyeliner sticking out. So this is how we're going to achieve this. Get your favorite eyeliner. I'm using this one from Lily by Red. This is the eyeliner of the year for me. What you're gonna do is essentially tighten your watermark. Before you tighten your waterline, there's something you absolutely need to do is to get a Q-tip and just swipe through your eyeline like this. I want to skip this step because otherwise your eyeliner is gonna smudge all over the place. Two ways to do this. You can flip your eyelid like this and tighten from this position. You can bring a mirror down and then look down to waterline it. Me personally, I like this method better, so that's what I'm gonna show you. And when you do this, you don't want to actually get too close to the waterline above where your lashes are coming out. This section starting from outside and then slowly go in. Look at that difference. Depending on your eye shape, you might want to drag it down all the way to the corner here. I really believe after trying different glow up, it really comes down to these little things. Be sure to follow along for my part 10 glow up series. I hope this helps.